Day 124 of doing a LeetCode problem every day until I get a job. All right, y'all, we're back again another day, another LeetCode problem. This time we're at day 124, y'all. We're really moving and grooving here, making some progress, doing LeetCode every day, really starting to learn, and this knowledge is really starting to compound, guys, and I hope it's doing the same for y'all, and I hope y'all have learned a lot, or I hope y'all have learned as much as I have as we've been on this 124-day LeetCode journey so far. But before we get started today, y'all, don't forget. Bring your mouse right over here and click that subscribe button for me, y'all. Then after you click that subscribe button, go ahead and smash that like button for me, y'all. Then after you smash that like button, I'm calling all of my bankers. I repeat, all of my bankers to the comment section right now. I need y'all to drop 2 bank emojis in the comment section so we can run up this engagement and help push this content out to a broader audience and do our part in helping the Swift community grow as a whole, y'all. Now, with all that being said, I know why y'all are here. And today we have question number 168, Excel sheet column title. The difficulty level is easy, so you already know if you've been on this channel before, you know we're going to keep the solution as simple and easy to understand as possible because we're all here to learn something, and there's no point in writing code that nobody understands because then nobody is going to learn. So let's see what the question says. It says, given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. For example, A returns 1, B returns 2, C returns 3, Z returns 26, that because there's 26 letters in the alphabet. Then when we get to these double letters, A equals 27, AB equals 28, AC would equal 29, AD would equal 30, and so on and so on. So let's look at the examples so we can see what they want us to do. So they give us the input column number that equals 1. So we see this 1 corresponds to A, so the output would be A. Then example 2, we have a column number 28. We see 28 corresponds to AB, so the output would be AB. Then example 3, column number equals 701, and in that case the output would be ZY because we have looped through or iterated through every letter of the alphabet all the way down to the Z's, and then did the same thing and went all the way down to the Y's on the with the second letter. So that would be column number 701. That's why it's so large. Now that we understand the question, let's get into the fun part, the part we all are excited to see, the code. So the first thing we're going to do is, it's a little tedious, but we got to do it. We're going to say let array equal, we'll open up our array brackets, and we are going to put your caps lock on for this. We're going to say A, and we're going to do this for every letter of the alphabet, y'all. So then we're going to do B. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to do C. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to do D. Then we're going to come over here. We're going to do E. Do the same thing for F. A, B, C, D, E, F. Excuse me, y'all. Got to get my alphabets in order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Then we're going to do H. Then we're going to do I. Then we're going to do J. Then we got to do K. Then we got to do L. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. M. Excuse me, y'all. N. O. P. Oh, whoops. P. Q, R, S, T, U, almost there, y'all, almost there, U, V, A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, X, Y, and Z. Okay, y'all, so now that we have every letter in the alphabet in our array, now we can really start moving. We could say declare variable, take the caps locks off, declare variable. We're gonna call that result. We're gonna set that equal to a blank string. Then we're gonna come down here and we are gonna declare another variable called num. We're gonna set that equal to a column number. All right, okay. Then we're gonna come down here and we are gonna say while num is greater than 0, boom, we're gonna say let remainder equal num mod 26. If remainder is greater than 0, what we are going to do is we're going to say result dot append. And we're going to append array, open up the array brackets, remainder minus 1. Boom. Then we're going to come right here. We're going to say else result dot append, open up the parentheses, put quotation marks, and we're going to put a Z. Then we're going to come out down here. We're going to say num minus equals 26. Then we're going to come right here. Excuse me, y'all. Right here. We're going to say num divided by or equal to, divided equal to 26. Then we're just going to come down here. We're almost done. We're going to come down here. We are going to say return string parentheses result dot reversed. Now, y'all, that should be all she wrote. Let's see. This is a little tedious code, and if you know, the tedious codes often have bugs, but this one doesn't, y'all. It's accepted. That's what I like to see. So let's submit it. Make sure it stays submitted and it stays accepted. Let's see. Fingers crossed, and there it is, y'all. 4 milliseconds beats 54.17% of users with Swift, y'all. Not too bad at all. Get one more look at the code, y'all. There it is. And I will see y'all tomorrow for another day, another LeetCode problem. Peace.